Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at arklatex I'm meteorologist Josh Marces with your Thursday morning forecast update. I think it's setting up to be a pretty decent weather day for us. It may be a little bit warmer as we expect to see a little more sun across the region today, eventually turning mostly cloudy this afternoon, and there really isn't much rain in the forecast today, and that may be the last time we get to say that for a while, as we have a pretty high chance of rain returning tomorrow and some of those afternoon thunderstorms through the weekend, but at least a temporary drying trend for us. We still have the remnants of tropical depression Nicholas just south of the region here, and these are going to continue to just push to the north, so eventually Nicholas, or what's left of it, kind of back over us tomorrow, and that's why we expect to see a bit of an increasing rain chance at least by tomorrow and through the weekend as well. But you can see on the water vapor imagery, we still have that orange or brown colored air over us, which is indicating the dry air on the water vapor imagery here. So I think the rain will have a hard time overcoming that today, which is why we don't have a ton of rain in the forecast for your Thursday. Temperatures will be great again this morning, upper 60s as well as the low 70s. We have a little bit of a breeze out there, but the wind shouldn't be as high as the past few days. Generally, the winds out of the northeast at about 10 miles per hour this afternoon, so you'll feel a light breeze, but not overly breezy or windy today. And your high temperatures, given we'll see a little more sunshine across northeast Texas, highs today in the upper 80s there, including Texarkana. Shreveport I have at 88, and a little bit cooler south of I-20 as we're showing that cloud cover kind of holding steady here south of I-20 for much of the day. So look at your Robins Toyota Futurecast. It is showing mostly cloudy skies by about 10 o'clock this morning. I don't think it's going to be that cloudy, but we do expect to see some sunshine through the morning and just a very slight chance of some of those rain showers drifting in this afternoon. And I would say the highest rain chance today likely across our Louisiana parishes here south of Interstate 20, which has been the case for the past few days here. The rest of us will probably begin to see the rain return tomorrow. You can see the remnants of Nicholas kind of moving up and across the region here by tomorrow afternoon. So what you'd kind of call some scattered or widely scattered thunderstorms here. It's not going to be a washout for your Friday, and those of you that are headed out to the football fields, I really don't expect there'll be much, if any, rain out there for the high school football games on Friday, and similar pattern for us Saturday as well as Sunday, which is why we have the storms in the forecast this weekend. So generally the weekend mornings will be dry, so if you want to do some outdoor things, the mornings should be just fine for that. The afternoons, we'll see that round of thunderstorms each afternoon through the weekend, and slight chance of rain early next week as well. Now we do have a cold front on the way. Looks like late Tuesday into Wednesday. Right now I'm dropping the highs into the low to mid 80s on Wednesday, but potentially with this front, temperatures could be a little bit cooler than that, and the mornings will stay great for the next 6 to 7 nights, as overnight lows will stay in the 60s and low 70s.